Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to change the theme in Slack on your desktop. If you're tired of the default look and want to make your workspace a bit more fun and relaxing, stick around. Let's get started. Alright, here we are in the Slack desktop app. First, make sure you are logged in. Once you are in, head to the bottom left corner of your Slack window where your profile picture is located. Click on it to open the menu. Now, look for the preferences options and click on it. This will open up the settings for Slack. Next, click on the appearance section. Here, you will see a variety of Slack themes to choose from. You can select from various options that fit your style. Here I am choosing the mint chip theme, which looks cool. You can also set a custom theme by adjusting the colors to your liking. Pick the colors that appeal to you. Once you have set your color theme, make sure to click Save Changes. And that's it. Just a few simple clicks and you have changed your Slack theme. It's a quick and easy way to personalize your workspace. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.